This 2015 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37 KT is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 38 feet 6 inches in length and features a Carmel, vintage maple interior, sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, self-contained, air conditioning, smoke detector, water heater, LP detector, TV, external shower, slide-out, stove top burner, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2015 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37 KT is built on a Ford F53 Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton V10 6.8L 362 HP engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.